Hello and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. This is the Game Foundry and let's continue our Enemy AI series. Today's video I will show you how to create a basic AI jump scare in Unreal Engine 5. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to give her a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish videos every week and I hope that I can help you on your journey. Then let's get started. Go to Enemy AI Blueprint and let's go to our viewport window, because we will need add some component to start. Let's create a sphere collision so that if the player touches the collision, he will get a jump scare. Change the sphere size to 100, go to events and select the option on begin overlap component. To detect the player, we will cast to the third person character and let's add add-ons so that we don't have problems, so that the player doesn't receive so many jump scares and never stop. To organize our code, let's create a new custom event that will be called the Jumpscare event. We will call this event after the do-once node. To create our jump scare, we will need to add a camera looking at our enemy's face. Then go to viewport window and let's create a camera. Move the camera to the face. Now go to event graph and let's change the player camera. Use get player controller and get the node set view target with blend. This is the node that we will use to get our camera. Let's connect it, the AI jump scare, and at the new view target, get owner, because we can't connect our camera directly. We need to get the owner first. Now get the camera and connect it. Now let's add a delay. There is where we'll add the sound effect. I'm using assets already available in Unreal to make it easy to follow. Let's find some audio we can use. I select the white noise sound effect. Now let's get our enemy mesh and play an animation. And here is a fun fact. I will use a jump animation because the character moves their hands and it looks like they are trying to scare us when see up close. Oh, let's delete the delay, sorry for the confusion. The delay is actually meant to match the animation duration, so let's fix that. Now we will need to copy and paste the parts where we reach the camera. This time we will change it from the enemy camera back to the player camera. This will happen after the jump scare. Then let's change. Now to add a Q effect, let's use get actor of class to get third person character, then let's simulate physics with a Ragdoll. He will just set this up here and then go to third person character to configure the Ragdoll effect. At the third person character, go to the collision options and change the player collision. That's it guys, thank you for watching. I hope that I was able to help you with this. Please give her a like and subscribe to the channel. We've published videos here every week and see you in the next video. Bye bye.